Bene. My favorite. You're so handsome, little man. Oh, you're so cute. He thought Wesley was coming home, and now he's just sitting here waiting. You're so handsome. Oh, are you Sheepy? Sheepy boy? He's like, why are you holding a camera in my face? You're so cute. Handsome little man. That was loud.
Choose your plate, Nadia.
Choose one?
Yeah.
I always like the purple one. Explain.
What?
Explain.
Compound chicken with, instead of chilies, you get
Jalapeno.
jalapeno.
You're so handsome, Nugget. You're so handsome.
You want a lot of jalapeno?
Yep. Just a little bit. It's a little spicy.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Did I redeem myself?
Yeah. Yeah. No.
One day.
No.
I'm gonna do this every day.
Okay. I mean, yeah, go ahead. Cook every day. Yes. So I don't have to.
Look at sleeping with a smile
Oh, I won't focus on him.
on. I can go to sleep happy.
Oh, he's so cute. Organized my closet so we can have a crafting station and laundry folding station. So at some point, with a stool right there to sit, it's gonna be great. Now I have my sewing machine out permanently. And Bean obviously likes it.
Is that 2.5 cups?
I'm in the process of trying to lighten my hair a little bit, and ran out of bleach and all the other stuff that I normally have, so I look like a brassy mess. And I'm not trying to make any weird faces, but for the entire morning, it has felt like something has been in my eyeball, and it hurts.
Murder! Good taste in flapjacks, Drac? Oh, yes, that's right, I did that. I went downstairs, I took his flapjacks.
No, they were eggs.
The castle smelled like flapjacks this morning.
No, it did. I don't care what the castle smelled like. Smelled? Smell.
Well, he who smelt it dealt it.
There's a T there.
It doesn't.
We got a couch. We got a couch. And I am extremely angry with UPS because I know that I live on a top floor of an apartment building, but they could have at least put it in the office when they realized there was no safe place for my package. Because what they did do was left it on the bottom floor of our apartment building underneath the stairs for anyone to just walk off with. Luckily, and I'm home by myself, so there was no way I was carrying up these giant boxes all by myself. But luckily, the maintenance people at our apartment are really nice, and I went to the office and asked if there was anybody that could help, and they did. So I got it up, but just come on, UPS. What you doing? You like the boxes? Goober what? You goober what? You're so cute. Bolver, you don't belong in there, sir. It's not a place for kitties. Sir, could you vacate the premises, please? Please, sir. If you order a couch and you think it's missing parts, make sure you check inside the pieces of the furniture. I thought I was missing some feets for my couch, but I wasn't. It's hot outside, okay? But I'm getting my couch put together, so that's a thing. Cats like it. I'm doing it. That's a Bolver butt. You did a thing! Oh my god, I'm so excited. We have a small couch. It's beautiful, and we're gonna get a pretty rug to put on the floor so it's not so empty and cold, because I like to sit on the floor sometimes. It's actually really small. Like, I knew it was small, but now looking at it, like, I'm gonna sit on it. First time sitting on it. It's kind of stiff, needs to be worked in. I'm pretty sure I'll get a good butt mark going on over here, but you can lay on it, it's comfortable, feel great. Really far from the TV though. The only problem, but pretty comfortable. Ugh, I like it. I'm happy. I'm finally happy. And also, I ordered a bunch of silly pillows and pillowcases off of eBay that will be here in forever from now, but they're great. Boxes are still so much better for cats, though. Before you're gonna get trapped in all the plastic. You're gonna get trapped.
Oh, trash.
Yeah.
Good.
You like the couch, though?
You seen this stuff?
Yeah, she was just here until you came in.
It looks sittable.
It is a couch for your butt. To video this, but my hair got really damaged after I did the second bleaching, and so what I did was impatiently, I should have waited a while, but I impatiently combed it out and lost a little hairball. But after that, I put it in a bunch of small braids, and I put like a bunch of anything I had in my drawer, actually, hair treatment stuff, oils, anything I could find. I just put it in and then put it in some braids. And I would be leaving it longer, but I'm going to the movies tonight, so I want to have my hair down so I don't look like a weirdo with a bunch of different kinds of braids in my hair. But like if they were all the same size, it would be normal, but I've got a French braid on the top and then other dangly ones. Anyway, so it's actually soft now and it smells good, so I'm gonna do this for the rest of the week and hopefully it will be less damaged. Yeah.
Fucking shit! Come to my house! Fuck your ass up!
What are you doing? Oh. There goes Bean. Booper butt. I think I'm dead. I think I'm dead. Whew. It feels really weird to go upstairs after being on an elliptical. Because your body's moving instead of your feet moving the ground. Oh god. Booper, are you gonna do some yoga? Hmm? So cute. You're so cute. Hello, love.
Hello.
What do you do?
I will kill Lucy.
Look at my cute stickers. Poop stickers. And cute snacks. So cute. So cute. And that's a Booper. Over. He's so focused now. Look at him. Tell the world what just happened. I don't know who that is, if that's exciting, so.
That's not bad.
Okay. Wesley commented something hilarious on a Twitch stream, right? And they responded to it. It was funny. It was hilarious. It was a thing. That's a bean. Also a thing.